Quality, guys. I'm telling you. Quality in 2022 is nasty. Quality in my phone is nasty. The brass side. Look, if you put your camera down, he looks down. See? Put your camera down. See? This is a budgie's personality. He's so scary. He's so mean. Scary. A dangerous bird.
The Halloween trials were amazing.
Lino. Lino. Little buddies. Did you heard that, guys? That was just a little sound of a bubble. Drama. Bird drama everywhere. Drama. This look, males are so entertaining. They entertain everybody, but girls, they're just look. He gets closer. And then when I put this, it's like, hello everyone. Why you trying to impress me? I'm not the female. This boy is like, yeah, you're gonna be the female today. I'm not so female. What? It's so adorable. Oh my god, bro! I can't believe I'm getting impressed by this guy. Trying to impress me, or I'm trying to impress you. Here's his little... I'm filming! Get jealous! Oh, he's so adorable! Oh my god, this is what I'm talking about! Look at the color of his tail! It's blue! It's really rare specimen. And if this girl hurts him, then we lost a really, really rare specimen! Okay, look, you know what? Just keep filming this guy. I don't want to get cursed by his face. No, I mean, I don't want him to get. Did he just bit me? Look, he just bit me like this. He was like, it was like thinking like, and then he just thinks like this. Look at him doing he's like bumping his head. He's like bumping his head, having fun with his head, dancing head. Are you already done? You already done? Don't bite my finger. Don't bite my finger. You're so adorable. Don't bite my finger. Do not bite my finger. Look, every time when I put the camera this way, look. Imagine if he gets closer. Get the freak out of here, boy. This girl, she used to be defensive. At daytime, she's not defensive, but at nighttime, she wants to smash you. Get closer, closer. He's so close to me. Was that a little bubble voice? Do that little droplet water sound. This girl, I'm so happy that she's staying there because, oh my god, he's going to sleep. Look at the little buddy. Look, this baby, he's a baby known by his size. And his feathers he has a couple feathers that needs to grow. I mean, he can fly really well. But this girl, nah, she's too big. This guy, we need to get him a new cage. Because if we let him with the female is going to bite him everywhere. Oh, you got it, guys? I was making a speech. He's like acting cool with me. Like trying to show everyone that he's cooler than budgies. Impress your female. Do not impress me. You know I'm already impressed. Yeah, I guess he's done for today. He's like, what did you say? I'm not done. Look, he's looking at me. He's like, wait, I'm not done. Bruh, this video is gonna be too long. Okay, whatever. Usually budgies, they hate me. This is our new budgie, Kiki. What do you guys think I should name him? I mean, the other budgie, we had a male budgie that died. His name was Chi-Chi, but he died. Yup. But YouTube literally took the memories. YouTube literally stole my channel of the biggest memories in the world. Okay, but we have a new male, and his name is Kiki. What do you guys want me to name him? Like a adorable name, like not like Sprinkles or something. No, like a name with a, not like, it's not the name of food. I do not want the name of something I don't want to name him Cake or Sprinkles or whatever, pizza. Now I just want to name him like Kiki. Kiki, look how adorable he is. What do you guys think of the name Kiki? Is it good? Is it adorable? Look at me! Kiki! The camera is this way. He's like, I'm done. Okay, you're done for today? Yeah, he's done. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. See you next time. Peace. Hope you guys enjoyed my bird singing, my budgie parakeet. Goodbye. Kiki, say goodbye. Bye. Kiki, say bye. Kiki. Kiki. Hey, no, you eating poop. You eating some shit. Do not eat some shit, whatever. Nah, this ain't your food. I'm scaring this girl because she's trying to hurt this little baby. He's like, I'm free to hurt this little baby. But no, she saw him. No, we're not starting the scenario all over again. No, we're not starting. Get the fuck, get in, get your nest. Get your nest. I don't want to talk to you. Get your nest. And you, stay there. Stay. Do not move. That's a girl. Stay in your nest. Stay in. Stay in your nest. Big old bitch girl. So she's defensive. She's too defensive. No. What? Music to my ears? Yeah. Goodbye. Peace. He's like, I'm not done. Guys, the video is too long. Okay, goodbye, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Have a great day. Peace.